I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beer glass using an easy method. First, gather your materials. You will need a clean glass bottle, a glass cutter, and sandpaper in different grits. Also, prepare 2 containers, one with boiling water and one with ice water. Safety is key, so wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Now, let's score the bottle. Decide where you want your glass to be cut and mark it with a permanent marker. Place your glass cutter on this mark. While applying consistent, moderate pressure, slowly rotate the bottle to create one continuous score line. Do not go over the same line multiple times. One clean score is best. This next step uses thermal shock to separate the glass. Carefully dip the scored line of your bottle into the boiling water for approximately 30 seconds. Then, immediately transfer it and dip the scored line into the ice water. Repeat this hot and cold cycle several times. You will hear a small pop sound when the glass cleanly separates, usually within 5 to 10 cycles. Finally, it's time for sanding and finishing to ensure a safe, smooth rim. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper, around 80 grit, to remove any sharp points. Then, move to finer grits, like 180 and 320, to achieve a perfectly smooth edge. Wash your new beer glass thoroughly with soap and water before its first use. Enjoy your custom creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.